Welcome to CyberSensei, your trusted guide in the digital world. Today, we're tackling spyware, a silent threat to your online privacy. Spyware is a type of malicious software that spies on your online activities, often without your knowledge. Spyware can steal sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, and even your identity. Now, let's learn how to detect spyware. Your device may slow down, or you may notice unexpected changes in your settings. To remove spyware, you'll need a reliable anti-spyware tool. Run a full system scan and follow the prompts to remove any threats. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Keep your software updated, don't click on suspicious links, and use strong, unique passwords. That's it for today's guide. Stay safe online, and remember, CyberSensei is here to help you navigate the digital world.